Sean Reneker. I'm the Senior Vice President of Operations for AES Cleanroom Technology. We're here in our Swanee, Georgia plant today to show you the safety systems, quality systems, and manufacturing processes we follow here to make our cleanroom modular panel systems. AES is the only vertically integrated, US-based modular cleanroom provider. We make the panels, we deliver the panels, we set the priorities in the factory. We don't have to negotiate with any of our suppliers to get your panels produced. We are the producer. There's nobody else in the country that does everything from design all the way through finished product like we do.
Safety and quality is the first and foremost thing. Next is delivery. How fast can we make and produce our shipment and get it to the job site on time and in full? Training is a big part of our process. The team is very aware of our safety record and how important it is to us and to our customers.
Our culture is very people-focused, and we are safety-driven as well as quality-driven. So we select and hire people who share those values. They will go through an extensive onboarding and training. All of our employees are empowered not only to speak to a supervisor, but to speak to one another and make sure that we're all following the safety protocols.
At AES, quality begins with each and every one of us. Each and every individual that's onboarded into AES focus on quality. Our workers have the absolute power to stop the process when they do see something is wrong. Each process is a customer of the previous process.
We bring in products from all over the world. We bring in a PVC coated steel that has our trademark coating, aluminum extrusion. As a frame material, we bring in several types of aluminum core, and all those are put together with a 2-part glue applied in our glue line. Once panels are pressed, they go through a cleaning process, an inspection process that is highly detailed to make sure that we're sending the best products to every site.
When I get the product, design is already designed it, engineering is already engineered the parts. I get the project when we're ready to manufacture. I get a detailed layout of how many panels the client wants, what day they want it on. When the customer wants it, that's when I deliver it. My chief goal is 100% on-time delivery.
Most of our job sites require sequential deliveries because they're building a large project in multiple phases. We ship in the correct sequence for those phases to go up in the right order.
Just-in-time delivery reduces the amount of laydown space that's required for all of our products. Our panels are large. They take up a tremendous amount of space on the job site, and the fewer we have on site at one time is a safer, better construction site. Although all the panels are manufactured here in Swanee, Georgia, we do have off-site warehousing options in Mannheim, Pennsylvania.
During COVID, everybody learned what the word supply chain means. So we have a stock of inventory here in Mannheim that is then released and shipped to our Swanee plant on demand. So when they need it, we ship from here, we bring it in from the suppliers to Mannheim and store it here temporarily until they call for it in the plant. On the back end, we also use this facility as warehousing for finished goods. So we have both a buffer on the front end and on the back end that keeps the client getting exactly what they need right when they need it.
I love our product, knowing that the materials that start off as raw materials, they become clean rooms that go on to deliver life-saving medicines, vaccines, and treatments for people in our community.
At our Innovation Center in Mannheim, Pennsylvania, we do all of the three-dimensional products. We erect the Omni Ascent or the Omni Electric, data or power. Those panels are produced and delivered to the job site complete, only interstitial connections required. We also produce our Clean Lock system, which is our modular, fully constructed personnel airlock. We set directly on the concrete floor. It installs in about 4 hours versus over 50 hours if we were to build it on site.
Looking at our product and seeing the end results is amazing. To see what we built from the factory, to see our team on site putting them together, and then to see the final product when the customer walks through is very exciting. I think we're doing something that is amazing.
We have the capacity available to make everything from small laboratory projects all the way up through mega facilities. We can make 1,000 square feet of panels for you or 1,000,000 square feet of panels for you. The people that build these panels for us here in Swanee, Georgia are the best. They're the best in the business. I want our clients and partners to know that from design through manufacturing through construction, we're the trusted cleanroom solutions provider. We're a US-based firm. We're here to deliver a high-quality, safe cleanroom that meets every expectation. We've been doing it for 40 years. We're going to be here for another 100. We're here to support you through your entire project.